Hello students, in this video we will discuss about angle of elevation. What is the angle of elevation? This is known. This is used when we find the height of any object from the ground, from a point of the ground. Suppose AB is a pole or AB is a tower and C is another point on the ground. As you know that line of sight means if line joining this point to B point, that means CB line is known as line of sight. And if you join C to A, this is known as horizontal line. Then what will be angle of elevation? Angle of elevation means this angle, that means angle between line of sight to the horizontal line is known as angle of elevation. That means this angle theta will be angle of elevation. That means we can define what is the angle of elevation in mathematics. In mathematics, angle between line of sight and horizontal line is known as angle of elevation. This is the mathematical definition of the angle of elevation. In this situation or in the angle of elevation, one condition is very important. In this situation, observer should be lower and object should be upper direction. That means if observer want to see to that object, then eyes of observer should be raised to see the object. Then angle of elevation will be formed. Now we will discuss about angle of depression. Angle of depression is nothing but when observer is on upper side and object is on lower side, then angle between line of sight to and horizontal line, which horizontal line passes through the eye of observer and parallel to the earth, then this angle will be known as angle of depression. That means we draw an object figure here. Suppose this is an observer O and object is on here. This is the object. This is a perpendicular distance of observer from the earth. This is the earth. And line of sight is you join a line, eye of observer to the object is known as line of sight. This is the line of sight, and another line drawn from eye of observer parallel to this horizontal line. Then angle between this line of sight and this line is known as angle of depression. That means this angle will be known as angle of depression. As you see here, in this situation, if observer want to see the object, then eye of observer should be below to see the object. In this situation, this angle is known as angle of depression. But one thing very important, angle of depression and angle of elevation, this is a relation, since angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. A reason that, sorry, I write here equal to, reason that very clear, since as you seen here, this line means this line and this line are parallel. For both parallel lines, O, this is the O, suppose this is the A and this is the B, OA line will be transversal line for both parallel lines. So this angle and this angle known as alternate interior angle, and both interior angles are equal by the property of parallel lines. So this will be also is equal to theta, and this is known as angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Now in the next video, we will take some numerical problems related to this chapter.